Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to set up Fiat wallet in crypto. Full guide. Open the crypto. App and tap wallet, then choose Fiat to begin setup by linking your bank account securely and verifying your identity with a photo ID and selfie. Next, add your preferred currency, set up two-factor authentication, and confirm bank verification with a small test deposit. Start by selecting bank transfer under Fiat in the crypto. App and choose your bank from the list or enter routing and account details manually. Follow the bank verification steps and watch for a small test deposit to confirm ownership. Once confirmed, enable instant linking if available, set deposit limits to your comfort level, and ensure your bank allows transfers to crypto platforms for smooth funding. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video so I can keep making useful walkthroughs. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that keep snacks and receipts secure when you are on the move between exchanges and meetings, perfect for organized crypto days. Check the description for the link and other deals, and then now let's get back to the video. Complete identity verification by uploading a clear government ID and taking a selfie directly in the app, making sure your face and document edges are visible. Fill in personal details exactly as they appear on your ID and provide proof of address if asked. Verification times vary, so check notifications and plan deposits accordingly while enabling two-factor authentication for extra account security.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.